Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to start by taking you back to 2013 for a moment. So that was the year when I started my first SaaS startup. And back then, building anything useful meant you had to know how to code. If you didn't, you had two options. Either you could find a technical co-founder or you could spend a lot of money hiring developers. But fast forward to today and wow, things have changed completely. Thanks to no-code tools and AI, building software is easier, faster and more accessible than ever. And I really believe this is going to completely change how SaaS startups are built, especially as we move into 2025 and beyond. So let me give you a quick example of what I mean. I was showing the Fusion platform to a fellow founder the other day, and he told me how he built an entire SaaS product, user onboarding, content personalization, analytics, everything without writing a single line of code. And he just used no-code tools and stitched them together. The whole thing took him just a few weeks to build. But that same product just a few years ago would have needed months of work from a full development team. And honestly, this isn't just one lucky case, it's happening everywhere. Now you might be wondering, that's cool, but why does it matter? So here's the thing. If you've got an idea for a startup, you don't need to be a developer anymore. You don't need to raise money. You don't need a huge team. You can start building today on your own. And that's what makes this shift so exciting. It's opening the doors to so many more people that they can just start creating. So let's talk about the first part of this transformation, which is no code. So no code platforms let you build software without writing any code. You can use drag and drop interfaces, simple workflows, pre-built components. It's kind of like building with Lego blocks, but for apps. So that means you can launch your products faster, test your ideas sooner, and instead of spending all your money on developers, you can now focus on getting users and growing your business. Just a few years ago, tools like Bubble, Webflow, Airtable were leading the way. But now platforms like Fusion are making things even simpler, taking things even further. So Fusion lets you build full SaaS apps, CRMs, internal tools, without any complex tech setup. So it's even simpler than the other no code platforms that you've seen earlier. And what is the best part? You stay in control the whole time. You don't need to hire any experts. It's so simple to use that you're in control. So now no code is great on its own, but the real game changer happens when you add AI in the mix. So you're already using tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. They're already helping people write better, design faster, and brainstorm ideas. But that's just the beginning. AI is starting to do much more. Imagine describing your app idea in a sentence and getting a full mockup in seconds, or connecting your app to an AI that tells you exactly which metrics matter most right now, or even having AI tools to talk to your users before they reach out for help, solving their problems automatically. And that's where we're headed. And honestly, in many cases, we are already there. These days, this is not just cool, it's expected. Founders won't be drowning in busy work. Instead, they'll be focused on strategy, creativity, and helping their users succeed. And that brings me to something important. We're entering a time where the most successful founders won't be the best coders. They'll be the best problem solvers, the best communicators, and the best learners. The new kind of founder is someone who can see a need in the market. He can build a solution using no-code tools and AI, and he can keep improving that solution based on user feedback. It's less about technical skills these days. It's more about clarity, speed, and empathy. So if you're thinking, all right, I want to be a part of this, here's where you begin. Start experimenting, pick one tool, maybe Fusion, maybe something like Bubble or Glide or Zapier, Airtable. Play around with it. Build a tiny app, break things, learn as you go. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write your content, help you outline your features, or even to come up with ideas. Don't wait to be an expert, just start. Because the tools that we have today, they're being built right now. And if you're already comfortable with today's tools, you'll be miles ahead when the next wave hits. Now, before we wrap up, quick heads up. All this accessibility also means more people are building, which means more competition. Expectations will rise, markets will move faster. It's not going to be a walk in the park. But that's okay, because if you stay focused on solving real problems, listening to your users, and improving your product, you'll be doing great. The tools will keep changing, but the fundamentals of building something valuable, that's never going to go out of style. So here's the big takeaway. No code and AI are breaking down the barriers of building SaaS. In this year, anyone with a good idea, the right mindset, can build, launch, and scale a SaaS product without writing a single line of code. So you have to start now, play, learn, build, improve. And if you're already working on something with no code and AI, we would love to hear about it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe before you leave. See you next time.